Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to my brand new video, and today's topic I'm going to talk about Philips Smart TV. It's 55-inch Smart TV. You can see what is wrong with this TV, and its color changing one by one. Can see red, green, blue. Some people reset the TV to solve this problem, but it's not permanent. So now I will show you how to permanently solve this problem. You can see, for solving this problem, first I have to open the TV's back cover, and you can see on the left side of the TV is the power board, on the right side it is system board. So now I will show you how to solve. As you can see, there are two heatsink. Now I will use the cooling fan to keep the heatsink always cool. This is 12 volt cooling fan. So for install the fan, first I have to 12 volt line should be taken out from here. First should one wire connect to 12 volt, then another wire have to connect with body. You can see, so I already fixed the wire, and right now I will set up the cooling fan where I will set. You can see the fan is already start running. So now I will set the cooling fan on heatsink. You can see how to properly set it. For fix it, I use two screws. Heatsink usually set on the processor, so normally when the processor is overheating, at the same time heatsink also getting hot. So that I attach a cooling fan on heatsink. The reason, it will provide cooling air to the processor. If the processor is hot, then you will face various problems. This is the main causes of the problem is there are many people after watching the TV, we didn't switch off the TV. We lazily turn off the TV with the remote. We do not switch off the plug. So that is why this problem occur. So we have to focus on this. My work is completely finished, and right now I will set the cover. You can see the previous problem with this TV, we already fixed it. You can see the clear video, and if you guys want to watch this kind of video more, please kindly subscribe our Daily Repair Zone YouTube channel, and like the video, share, comment, and press the bell icon for getting new kind of video fast. Don't forget to give your feedback after watching the video. So see you in a new video. I pray that everyone be well and stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.